This week's Tech Tip of the Week is a quick and easy way to add a digital signature to a Google Doc. So, an easy way to do this is to open up your Ink workspace. Click on Sketchpad. Take your stylus out of the left side of your computer and sign your name right across the screen. When done, click the Save icon and save it out. For example, I'll put it on my desktop. And now you can see I've got my signature right here as an image. Now I can open up a Google Doc, go to where I need my signature, insert an image from my computer, find my sketch and open it, and into the box it goes. Now you may have to play around to get it to size like you want it to, but that's a quick and easy way to add a digital signature onto a Google Doc.